Hey guys, we're at the beach.
Of course.
And we're heading out in the sand. Hopefully we'll find something. So,
It's our Wednesday afternoon hunt.
really nice and warm, but it's windy right now.
A little windy,
So
yeah.
it's a little chill with the wind. So,
Yeah.
But we're gonna hit this real quick, take a look, see if there's anything here, and then we might go inland if we have enough time. So,
Exactly.
So we'll see. Wish us luck.
Good luck.
Thank you. 142. Got it in the scoop. Ooh, shiny penny. Yep, there we go. 2017. Let's keep it moving.
All right. I'm all mic'd up because it is windy. I'm working near a storage shed and I came across a 13. There you go. Of course, my scoop is nearby, so getting a little interference with that. But it's deep, so I'll be back. All right, first target is a nickel. Here it is. Modern Jefferson. That's not a bad way to start. All right, let's go.
35 to 38 here. Sounds pretty good. Always just not balled up aluminum foil, but we'll see. Still down there. Howling. Okay. When I find it, I'll show you. Sounds so good. It's just that little piece right there off the chair, a little rivet. That's disappointing.
All right, just dug a 16. And I found what looks like a little piece of freshwater pearl. So there's got to be something metal still inside of it. Cool. I see another piece in the sand, so I'm going to do my best to get it.
Probably a quarter. Okay.
Yep, just found the other piece. There it is. Check my hole and see if there's any more. Some freshwater pearls.
Nice.
Yeah, I found 2 of them. 16 in that hole there. Is there still?
You want to take it out?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. All right, just found that 15-16 in the sand, thanks to Tim helping me a little bit. And I got myself my first hamster for 2023. All right. That might explain where those freshwater pearls came from. Oh, Tim's looking for more. There's more targets in that same little hole. I'll let you know later. Okay, Tim just helped me find this little bitty bead. And yet one more of those little bitty beads.
27 signal just blew my ears off. Quiet, quiet, quiet. All of a sudden, bang. Off the side. Bean scoop. Aha! Pull tab.
I'm walking down towards the ocean and I'm on top of the hill. There you go. I'm on a 25, 26. You can see I'm using my knocks today. Let's get this dime. Yep, here we go. It's a dime. 1 dime. Oh no, it's not. It's a memorial cent. which means if it was ringing up that high, it's copper. Cool. All right, just dug a 4611 and found a broken glasses of some kind. So that's cool. Dug a 16. Here it is here. I'm digging lots of 15 and 16s. But this is interesting. Maybe horse tack? Anyway, the others were pull tabs and shotgun shell heads. Look, there's Tim.
All right, guys, we're finishing up here. I just got this piece here. Yeah, we're detecting where we were up at Airport Hill. Kind of slow today, but that's the way it goes. I mean, we only been here for a little while because we went to the beach first. But I can pick up my other piece I left over here. Then we have to get out of here because we have to be back for our premiere. Did you pick up my headlamp?
What?
Did you pick up my headlamp?
Did I pick up your headlamp?
Never mind. All right, found it. I believe that's a mount for an old headlamp. For a car headlight, I should say. Yep. Well, I dug it, taking it out. So guys, this is a wrap up of a quick little beach hunt we did and a little up in the woods hunt we did. I don't know, Sunday, Monday,
Tuesday, Wednesday.
Yeah, it was what it
like
was. It
wasn't
day.
Thursday or Friday because Thursday and Friday were rainy around here.
It was a day last week, so so we'll show you what we got.
Yeah.
We've done better, but
Yeah.
still, it's always interesting. So
It's fun.
let's show you what we got, guys. Oh, by the way, it was a beautiful day. The coolest part, we didn't get it on camera. The coolest part was when we walked out of the woods, even though it's February, bats were flying over our heads because it was so warm out there eating bugs. So
Yes.
let's show you what we got, guys. Is Kathy moves camera stuff out of the way?
Yeah. Somebody's got to do
There's a
it.
prize. You got her. Hold it.
So what does that make me?
Show us your mug there. Last week we had our hip beat mug. This is our keep your hands off my booty mug.
I have one of these on the back of my car too.
Yes, she does. Yes.
Not the mug, but a
sticker,
magnet,
which we had stolen initially. So it was stolen from us. We searched everywhere. We finally found one. So
sad.
So we were not upset. We were upset about that.
I was
so
sad.
So let's start you off here. I got one of these. Don't know what that is.
Mm-hmm.
It's in a little piece. Looks like a cover or something. I don't know. This kind of looks. It's got a screw in the end. Kind of almost sort of looks like a piston or something. Material up top is chipping off. Hot rock. Something electronic, I guess. Whatever this doohickey is. Don't know what that is.
Yeah. I don't know.
Kind of interesting looking.
It
Oh, there got little pieces that fell out of there.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, see the little pieces?
The pieces are all falling out.
Yeah, they were just set up in there. Yep. I'm not sure if this is like a toy car or something like that, or electrical piece. Almost looks like it might be like to a toy car or something like that. This piece here.
That's what that looks like.
Little electrical piece. Coronas, stuff like that. Caps. Old nail.
I'm guessing the Corona.
By the way, the other week when we were up there, you found a square nail. I don't know if you realized it.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Another piece of interesting metal that looked like a cover for something. sunglasses. I guess we got that at the beach.
I
the
got
piece
that
there.
at the beach, yeah.
More electrical. A shoddy here. I can't read what it says on the top there, but it's an older shotgun
it says
shell.
something gauge on it.
Yeah,
so
that's
I
12
got that
gauge.
one
Yep. Yep.
At the old house site.
Mystery pieces. Mystery pieces. Yeah, we're at the old house site here. I got this. I don't know.
It's twisted wire.
This looks like it's for spark plugs or something. Looks like a rubber boot on there. Not sure what that is. Looks like a little pulley or something there. Farm equipment maybe. I believe this is an old headlamp.
That's what it looks
For an old headlamp for a car.
That's what that looks
We
like.
got that there.
Yeah.
We got a few coins here. Nothing special.
No. The clean ones are from the beach.
Yep,
Fresh drops.
The other ones are mystery items. Here's a little mystery item here. Not sure what that is. Interesting piece of metal here.
I think it's a Lincoln.
Looks like brass.
Looks like it might be a Lincoln.
No, this is not. It's super thin. It's not a. So this is the kind of.
Too big to be a Lincoln.
That's the only thing we really got that was any good. Kathy got a Hamza charm
Yeah.
with a couple freshwater pearls.
Yeah.
The pearls are really nice.
Yeah.
And then she got these beads came along with it. They were all off of the Hamza charm.
Necklace. Yeah.
Well, necklace or whatever it was.
Bracelet.
Probably bracelet. Yeah. So that was all together. We had it was.
All in one hole.
These were tiny little signals, but we were able to get those.
Yeah.
So we were able to pick them both up on our Knox and on the Legend.
Yeah.
So
Yep.
we're happy with things for a quick little hunt. It was a beautiful day. We enjoyed ourselves. And I forgot my sinker. It's a sinker.
That's a sinker?
Yeah, it's actually used, it's like a drail. It's actually used for, it drags down low. Probably they had another line tied here. Then that probably went up to a little like fly or something like that you were using it for.
That's interesting.
They're using it to get it down deep.
Okay.
So that's kind of cool. Got a lot of hunts coming up, a lot of things going on, a lot of activities.
Yeah.
You know, we're gonna be
Almost
on
March.
we're gonna be on people's shows and collab hunts and things like that. So, and thanks for following us.
And thanks for watching.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Gotta straighten out my hair.
It's Saturday.
Always. Yes,
And
Saturday morning.
Those of you who applied for the giveaway in our Franklin 3 hunts in 2 days video, and we're giving away 3 prizes. And deadline closed, and
Yes.
we're getting ready to pick the names.
Yeah, it closed 11 hours and 27 minutes ago.
And just a reminder, boop, Franklin, Silver,
Yeah.
getting the buffalo.
Yeah.
There he is.
There he is. There's
It's
the
a new
buffalo.
Adderall.
There's the Indian.
And flip him. Yep,
Yep.
buffalo.
Buffalo.
And a silver dime for the first place winner.
Yep.
And our sticker.
Yep. New ones are coming out soon.
Yes, they are. New ones are coming out soon.
Yes. They will be revealed
Yep. Come out swinging.
and come out swinging.
Yep.
Exactly.
Yep.
Yep.
Only person who has them is the person who helped design them.
Exactly. Thank
Yep.
you very much. We
Gerard
appreciate
Gannon.
that,
Yep. Thank you, Gerard.
Thank you.
Second and third place,
Yep.
silver dime,
Yep.
not silver buffalo, buffalo nickel.
His favorite.
Yep.
And stickers.
Yep. So that's our giveaway today. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Yeah.
Don't remember what video it is, but
It's 3 hunts in 2 days.
no, that's the one we picked it from.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, they're watching the video now.
The one that they just watched is More Franklin.
It's what?
It's More Franklin.
That's the name of it?
No, it's not.
Oh, wait a minute. We're going to pick Franklin for the next one.
I know. I can't remember what the name of this one is off the top
Yeah.
of my head.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't
You watch
matter.
the video, you're here.
Yes, exactly.
So next week, we'll start another giveaway. Mm-hmm. So, you know.
Make sure you watch next Wednesday.
Yep, next Wednesday, another giveaway. Following Wednesday, we'll announce it.
Give it away.
You know, blah, 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 on and
Yep,
on.
exactly.
So,
Yep.
so that's it, guys. Let's go pick the winners.
Yeah, let's.
All right, guys, here we go for our duck race. We're going to pick the winners.
Yep.
First place winner gets the Franklin, and the Rosie and the Indian, and then second and third get the Rosie and the Indian.
Yeah, and there's all
Kathy
38
got them all anchored.
entries.
Yeah.
I type fast.
She does type fast.
Yeah. Okay. It's done. I click done. Ta-da! All right. 2 minute drill again.
Yeah, 2 minutes is good, yeah.
2 minutes. Okay. Let's see. Do I have that set at everybody gets their own costume and their own colors and stuff
We'll
over
find
there?
out. Colors and costumes. it
Colors
says.
and costumes. Okie dokie. Very good. All right. Here we go. I'm going to click. Oh, I got to hit set. Duh. Okay. Ready? All right. I hit set. And we're all in place. Let's hit shuffle a couple times because everybody's in order that they entered. Shuffle once. Shuffle twice. There we go.
That's good. We're looking good now.
Yeah, I think so too. And click start. Hang on. Let me make sure that the volume's on because I have a tendency of turning the volume off. There we go.
All right, guys, here we go.
And
Good luck, everybody.
There. All right, who's in the lead? Hang on, I gotta take my glasses off.
Susan Cousins.
Susan Cousins is in the lead as the clown.
Let's see, Country
James
Diggers,
Fraser,
Jamie's
Country
there.
Diggers.
Dave
yeah.
Pierre, Relic Hunters. Greg from AU Divers.
John Lola.
Yep.
Yep, AU Divers.
Mr. Metal
I see
Detectors.
something detecting. Okay, I
Matt,
Rosie
Honeysuckle
Frazier. Terrace
Susan
Plug
back there, some Jason
Riches
Fogle.
in the Bumblebee.
Lisa Adventures Michigan's pulling up here.
Yeah, and Brooklyn Treasure Hunters.
There's
He's
Anthony.
got his surgical garb on. There's Aaron,
Yep, we see
AGCRX. He's, oh no, he's falling back. Susan Toker and Mr. Metal
Kansas City
Detector still
Outdoors
in the
falling back
front.
right now. The
Da, da,
Southern.
da, 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 da. Joe
Metal
Strack
Detectors.
is now in the lead as the unicorn. And who's coming up?
Thank you.
AU
Let's see.
Diver again.
See,
Karen King
Texas
at the
Publishers
top.
is in the center there.
Yeah, Panther City Outdoors is down at the bottom and falling back, unfortunately. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, do you see what I did for Randy? I typed in, it auto-corrected to Old Melon. I'm sorry, Randy. I'm so sorry. It says Old Melon. We know who you are. It's Old Palon. Sorry about that. All right, Susan Cousins is up in front again. Martin Bishop coming up behind in the white powdered wig. And there's some granny in the middle there at the bottom. Behind T-Rep Adventures.
Good thing they didn't have the park on us. We had an AZ Treasure Hunter Duo.
Oh my goodness
Martin Bishop.
gracious.
Cynthia's
and
there.
here we go. Now we're in the
T-Rep's
last
up front
17
here.
second T-Rep. And old Palon is falling back
Jason
a little
Fogle's
bit.
there. Somebody's come shooting up.
Yeah,
probably.
exactly. With
Oh,
9
Dave's
seconds.
right there.
Here we go.
Here they come. Here comes the
T-Rep,
bunch.
T-Rep.
Uh-oh.
Brooklyn.
Uh-oh. It's going to be
And-
close.
Oh no,
Anthony's on
it's
the way.
Anthony! Yay! Congratulations, Anthony.
Yep.
And now, to find out who the other 2 winners are. Ready? And it's
T-Rep. Good guy. And Bob Moyer. Congrats, Bob. Thanks, everybody, for participating.
Yeah.
And we'll do a whole new contest next week.
okay.
Easy for me to say.
Exactly.
And-
Anthony, I believe we have your address already,
Yep.
so you don't need to get in touch with us. But T-Rep Adventures and Bob Moyer, you need to get in touch with us.
Email us at Lynch.
1403
There was an echo. At
gmail.com. Yeah.
And we'll have it here.
As soon as we can.
Yep.
All right. No holidays coming up, so there's no delays because of Mondays, closures of the post offices, etc., etc. And we'll see you.
In the funny papers?
No, on the beach.
On the beach. We'll see you on the beach.
Okay?
Unless we get lost and end up in the dirt again.
That happens lately.
All right. Thanks, everybody.
Have a good week.
Yeah, have a good week, everybody. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.